Hello, do you want more views to your YouTube videos? Or do you want to rank your videos higher on YouTube immediately after you upload them? This video is all about that, YouTube SEO. That is your answer to rank higher videos and get more views. If you like this type of content, I do post them regularly every week. So please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. If you've got any feedback, please do let me know. I would like to improve. I'm very new to this YouTube video creation. Hello, my name is Sudha and I help entrepreneurs use technology effectively. In this video, we are going to look at how I do my YouTube SEO and what are the 3 steps, what are the tools which I use. Both of them are free tools. The very first step I do is go and check on Google Trends whether my overall keyword is performing or going up or down. Once I get relatively satisfied answer, it is not written on stone how many views and how many search volumes it should have. Once I get a relative idea of what it is, I am not bothered about Google Trends that much because it's just a overall higher level of niche research I do. I don't go and do like others do. That is one of the step 1. I go and do trends.google.com, check my trend. And the second thing which I do is I go to Keyword Explorer of TubeBuddy, which is free. You can go and check your keywords and all of that. And I use keyword research tool of TubeBuddy. Once I've done relative keywords and also taken down the notes of what my title is going to be, what are the keywords I'm going to use in my description, and also what are the keywords performing well. So I get an idea by looking at the search volumes and other things, which you will see in my screen recording. And the third step I would do is I would go and use another tool called VidIQ. Once I get an understanding of whether it is doing, both of them are giving me a good understanding of what my keywords are going to be, what are the things which I would do, I would go and produce my video. That's exactly what I do. I don't do much of anything else. So let's jump onto my computer and see how I do my research. Hello, this is the first step I do, as I explained just now. I would go to trends.google.com. This is my first step. I usually don't do this all the time. However, I do that every now and then because once I say, okay, YouTube is going to be, or YouTube SEO is going to be, I'll do this and then I'll go and do my second step and third step and then produce the video. And this is how I do for any content whatsoever, because it is more important to do whether your content is trending or not, whether people are looking for it or not. That is how you can get free organic traffic. This is why I do this very first time. If you need to know how to do that, 5 keyword research tools which I use, you can go and watch my other video. I will put it on the info card below, or about how to do the keyword research. So this is more to do with YouTube SEO. This is the step I follow. Here I've got, as I said, the first step is Google Trends, and then I'll go and do TubeBuddy and then VidIQ. I'll explain that to you right now. And this is about this video which I'm recording. This is how I did my YouTube research. Okay, let's do this. Once I go into trends.google.com, I would change this United States to United Kingdom because it is just easier to do it in a closer location instead of United States, because United States you've got more competition and you are everywhere. So I would do United Kingdom, and then I would go, I can even go beyond my United Kingdom. I can go to Scotland, or I can go even further, but this is a lot better for me. I'll show you how I do further more researches. So once I get here, I do, this is YouTube SEO, right? So YouTube SEO. I'm just being pedantic. You don't have to, this is not case sensitive. I just looking for something. It seems to be upward trend, and it has, and then I will compare that with video SEO. Video SEO. If I'm not looking at you, no offense meant, is just me. So there is, both of them are almost 34 and 36 for past 12 months, and then I go and look for past 90 days, if whether this is seem to be all right video, and seem to be downward trend. I'm not that much bothered, but there are enough things going here. So, and then I would go and check YouTube search as well. I'll see whether it is doing something. YouTube search seems to be almost, it's peaking every 3 months, every 15 days, or every month, I think. So I would not be bothered that much. So I will do how I do my keyword research, or for the YouTube. Now this is more or less what I would like to do. I don't do anything beyond this one. So I go to the second one, which is, I'll go to my YouTube. I go to your channel, and then I go to YouTube Studio. Once I've done this, I would go to TubeBuddy and go to Keyword Explorer. I will give you the link of TubeBuddy. It's free tool. They've got free subscription. I've got pro one, which is even less. It's not, I don't have beyond that, because I'm 1,000 subscribers or less, so I get it for 50% off or something. So it's $4.99 which is even lower, like $3.50 or $3.90 for when it comes to UK pounds. So I will do this, and here I would go for YouTube SEO, which is Tube SEO. Again, as I said, it's not case sensitive. YouTube SEO seems to be fair. So how to rank YouTube videos, I'll check that one. Oh, that's poor. How to rank YouTube video fast would be my second, and then I'll go to 2020. You see, that's poor. So I would go to how to rank YouTube video fast 2020, and then that is very good. So I will take this. This is how I would this is the title I would use on this YouTube video. You see where I am coming from. And then once I copy this, Control A, Control C, I copy this in my Word document. So, or you can even, if you've got pro version, I don't know, add to the topic planner, which I'm not planning on doing. I can add to the topic planner. That will give me give me a good understanding of how. So this is once I've come to this one, I will go for YouTube SEO. I will write down all of this. I forgot my tab. I will just copy these YouTube rank videos. I'll do all of that. I'll tell you instead of typing it down. I will just use these tags: YouTube SEO tips, YouTube SEO. So each and every, once I've got this one on, I will go and check for YouTube SEO tips. That's poor, so I'm not that much bothered. I would go for YouTube SEO, TubeBuddy. That is where I will use that as a tag, and YouTube tips would be the next one. YouTube tips to grow your channel. I'll see. That is where I will use that one as well. So I will take around about 5 to 10 keywords from these common tags. I would collect them on my notepad. Once I've done that one, I will take, remember I was looking for other channels as well, isn't it? So I would go, I'll close this one, and then I've got another tool called VidIQ. I will go and do the keyword inspector there. So I've copied and pasted YouTube videos fast, how to rank your YouTube videos fast in 2020. That seems to be low competition. Overall score is 47, whereas there are no search volumes, so I would be bothered about that one. So instead I would say I would go for this one where it's most used, how to rank your YouTube videos. And then the competition is low, not very low. It's I've got about 65,000 or 66,000 nearly search volume, and the overall score to be 69. So like this, I would be looking at few tags, because those are the tags I would use. And then it is not written on stone, right? Once you find out this is the title, because you've got to use these keywords and write a legible 300 to 500 words of what YouTube SEO is. It could be transcript. I don't transcribe all my YouTube videos, but what I speak, I just type them. That is 300 to 500 words. That gives you a good score. On these, you will see when I show you. Once you get all of this done, written down, I've done the Google Trends, I've done the TubeBuddy, and then I've done VidIQ. Then I will go start creating or producing the YouTube video. Once I've done that, I upload it and add the tags to these videos. Let me go and show you one of my videos which I've done in the past to show you what I mean by that. So the videos, you remember I told you about the keyword research tools? They are part of my live program. I did it live on that one. Let me see whether I've got now. Yeah. Keyword research free tools. If you see this is one of the description I've written down. These are the steps I do for the keyword research for my website or for any other content which I create, and then I go down. These are the tags which I would use, the money and this. Some of the tags are not performing well. However, I do have 3 tag volume tags, so that is good. And then I can add this free keyword tool. I can add, these are would get me on the page 1. So keyword research tutorial, no, that one, keyword research tutorial, that is on page 2. Some of them you've got to go back and look at these if you think these are performing well as well. I would use this in my the next video. So you can see I've got more than 800, so I have to delete some of them. That's about it. So I would go back and come back in. That'll give me some kind of, if it's got the number against it, green number, well, I'm telling you guys, these TubeBuddy and VidIQ is really good tool to use, and which you can rank almost immediately. For some strange reason, this is not working the right way. But however, I do have good. So if I put either of these, and I can even put Sudha Speaks, this would come. Speaks. And I would also use one of these tools in here instead of these as my tag. How to do? I would do keyword research. Those tags are important, okay? So keyword research and tutorial and keyword research, free keyword research tools, free keyword research tools. It was ranking before, so that's fine. Keyword uh, 3 to 5 is okay. I say save. You can immediately see I've got tag volume 3, which is good. I've got tag count. Okay, doke. That's all it is to do with the YouTube research. Hopefully you will use my link to go and look for TubeBuddy and also VidIQ. Both of them I've got free plans which you could start right away. That's all I've got to share as a screen share, and I'll finish the video after that. So that's how I do my YouTube SEO. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click that notify button. I can't ask for subscription, can I? So click those notification bell so that you're informed whenever I do my videos. The second video of the series is going to be how to transfer your normal YouTube channel into a brand account, and I will be talking about benefits and other things in that video. So please do subscribe and leave your comments as well. Like the video and leave the comments. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.